Presenting Shumee Lil Chef's wooden cooking set with 16 pieces for the children of age 3 years to 5 years. Set's dimension is 12.5 cm by 11.5 cm by 6 cm and it weighs 460 grams. This cooking play toy set increases child's curiosity and helps them to learn about kitchen utensils and names of different vegetables. It also increases hand-to-eye coordination, visual perception skill, cognitive skill, imagination, creativity, academic skills, motor skills, and dexterity. The toy set comes with pot and pan with a lid, plate and bowl, spoon and ladle. The set also comprises of fruits and vegetables that can be used as teaching props. This toy is made from wood and harmless paint. This toy does not require any battery. 10 days replacement policy only for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.